Mheshimiwa Naisula, stadia have stalled all over the place. Camarine, I think, is stalled at just about 40%, and many others all over the place. And you're right, there is definitely no value for money in a lot of these places. And the sad thing also is that we are still building stadia in the old mold. A stadia, we are still thinking that a stadia is a terrace, a green pitch in the middle, and some track around. No, the world moved on. Stadia now are integrated facilities. Stadia have theater. Stadia have recording studios. Stadia it's an integrated space where sports people and artists can do so much more than just kicking a ball on the green patch or running around the track. And so one of the things that we must do also is to revisit even the design of our stadia. And we must turn all our stadia must be turned into centers of excellence so that we have activities going on there continuously. I mentioned Clairefontaine, which is run by the French football, but there are also clubs. When you go to Barcelona, they run a great academy called La Masia, where they churn out great talent like Messi, who was discovered at the age of 6, 7. Who is discovering talent in this country at age 6, age 7? And where would these talents be discovered? We must make this the spaces where we can spot this talent and grow this talent so that we can be able to compete with the rest of the world. And it is an area where I'm going to be available. We will assess the facilities that are in place and then start a new journey on how to manage that space better. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you.